Welcome back to TechXplorer. Vivo has done it again, introducing an all-new smartphone that balances style, performance, and value for money. Meet the Vivo Y300, a feature-packed mid-range device with some premium-level surprises. It boasts a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, powered by the efficient Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, a massive 5000 mAh battery with blazing fast 80W flash charge, and an IP64 rating for added durability. In today's video, we will dive deep into its features, performance, and whether it lives up to the hype. Let's get started. The Vivo Y300 is a testament to Vivo's commitment to sleek and modern designs. The phone features a thin 7.8mm body, weighing just 190 grams, making it lightweight and easy to hold. The rear panel comes into stunning finishes, Aurora Blue and Graphite Black, each offering a premium look with subtle gradients. The edges are rounded for a comfortable grip, and the IP64 rating means the Y300 can handle minor splashes and dust, adding an extra layer of reliability. On the front, the phone features narrow bezels and a centered punch-hole design, offering an immersive screen experience. It's clear that Vivo has prioritized aesthetics and durability in the Y300's design. The Vivo Y300 comes with a stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED display that's perfect for streaming, gaming, or browsing. With full HD plus resolution, the screen delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and crisp details. The display also supports a 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and animations buttery smooth. Whether you're playing games or navigating through apps, the responsiveness is top-notch. With a peak brightness of 1000 nits, the screen remains legible even under bright sunlight. To top it off, Vivo has included features like Eye Care Mode, which reduces blue light emissions for a more comfortable viewing experience during extended use. Under the hood, the Vivo Y300 is powered by the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 processor, a highly efficient chipset designed for mid-range devices. Built on a 6nm process, this processor balances performance and power efficiency. Paired with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, the Y300 handles multitasking with ease. Whether you're switching between apps or playing games like PUBG Mobile or Call of Duty, you'll experience smooth performance. For everyday users, this chipset offers plenty of power while ensuring battery efficiency, making it a solid choice for those looking for reliability in a budget-friendly package. Battery life is a standout feature of the Vivo Y300 thanks to its 5000 mAh battery. It's designed to last an entire day on a single charge, even with heavy use like gaming, video streaming, and social media. But what truly sets it apart is Vivo's 80W flash charge technology. This fast-charging system can take your phone from 0 to 50% in just 15 minutes, ensuring minimal downtime. For those on the go, the combination of a large battery and ultra-fast charging makes the Y300 an ideal companion for busy lifestyles. The Vivo Y300 features a dual-camera setup, with the primary sensor being a 64MP lens that captures sharp and vibrant photos. Vivo's AI algorithms ensure great performance in both daylight and low-light conditions. The second lens is a 2MP depth sensor, which helps create stunning portrait shots with accurate edge detection and background blur. On the front, there's a 16MP selfie camera housed in the punch-hole cutout. It's perfect for video calls and selfies, with features like AI beautification and HDR to enhance your shots. The phone also supports full HD video recording, with stabilization features that ensure smooth footage for casual videographers. Running on FunTouch OS 14, Based on Android 14, the Vivo Y300 offers a smooth and feature-rich experience. The software is clean, intuitive, and packed with customization options to make the phone truly yours. The Y300 also comes with Vivo's signature features like Ultra Game Mode, which optimizes performance during gaming sessions, and Multi-Turbo 6.0, which reduces lag and boosts app launches. For added security, the phone includes a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and AI face unlock, both of which are fast and reliable. Durability is another strong suit of the Vivo Y300. With its IP64 rating, the phone is resistant to dust and minor water splashes, making it a dependable choice for everyday use. In terms of connectivity, the Y300 is 5G ready and supports dual SIM functionality, ensuring blazing fast internet speeds and seamless network performance. Additional features include Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring reliable connections across all your devices. The Vivo Y300 is priced at approximately $299, putting it in direct competition with devices like the Redmi Note 14 and the Realme 14X. While competitors might offer similar specs, the Vivo Y300 stands out with its premium AMOLED display, fast charging technology, and polished design. For users looking for a mid-range phone with a focus on performance and durability, the Y300 is a strong contender. So, should you consider the Vivo Y300 as your next smartphone? With its vivid AMOLED display, efficient performance, powerful battery, and sleek design, it's a solid choice for anyone seeking value in a mid-range device. While it may not have the most advanced camera system, it delivers reliable everyday performance and a few premium features that set it apart. What are your thoughts on the Vivo Y300? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechXplorer for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, stay curious and stay tech-savvy.